All right, it is Tuesday, and this is the time when I talk about mini STEAM, physical science, and astrophysics. So make sure you're paying attention if you're in those classes. Here's a little video clip of something that's to um, about to drop.
Why are you just looking at glass?
You'll see. I'll show you later. Okay. So can you say Newton's first law of motion? Look at the camera. Look at me and say, Newton's first law of motion.
Newton's first law of motion.
Unless. All right, so astrophysics. Here's what you got. You have a rough draft of your final project presentation. That's due. If you have questions, email me, okay? It should be pretty clear on the rubric what I'm looking for, but you should have a rough draft made up this week. Also, we have a little fun with conspiracy theories, so find one and let's pick it apart. You know the logical fallacies. And then lastly, a current event, which you find something going on in space, which actually, you probably want to look up something on that rocket that they're going to launch. SpaceX is launching with astronauts in it, so that'd be cool. Let's see, physical science, STEM, right? We've got Newton's third law, okay, which is just 2 sets of videos with notes. That's it. I mean, just watch it. I'm working on a really good video, which you probably just saw. Working on a video about Newton's laws with Corso. So pay attention for that next week. All right, and lastly, mini STEAM. You've got, we need to finish that script, so you are writing a closing line, a closer as they call it, a summary, a last line. And then you're going to get started on making an iMovie. Okay, we can't do the planetarium show, but we can do an iMovie about this pretty easily. So that's really your project. The iMovie is one of the last things that you're going to do. So again, as always, make sure you email me or come to my office hours, and we can hang out a little bit, because I know that would be fun for you. And yeah, so with that, stay safe and be brave.